natin interest para po mag-secure tayo na. Tama? Kaya palagpakan pag natin sila. Okay. Now, I told you that we attended right after the event natin, I think the following day, we need to travel going to Pampanga. At doon po ginanap sa Royce Hotel.
Okay, after nung makabayan yung masipag, last. Ilan na lang kayo?